Hello friends, welcome in the world of Maths by Yami. In today's learning concept session, we will see time, speed, distance. In today's concept, we just want to discuss only one formula, that is nothing but distance is equal to speed into time and application of ratio in the time, speed, distance. I am going to discuss two concepts when we have ratio given and another is gap given. One is ratio given, another is gap given, or if both are gaps, we can use the formula or the ratio concept. See, the speed of an object is 20 km per hour. It is 20 minutes earlier. If the speed is 10 km per hour, it is say 40-minute delay. When the object speed is 20 km per hour, it's 20 minutes earlier. When object speed is 10 km per hour, it's 40-minute delay. And we need to find what is the speed, distance or time, which we can. So for this type of question, the most important thing is distance is equal to speed into time. So we can frame the first formula. Distance is with a speed of 20. Time is 20 minutes earlier, that is t minus 20 by 60. This is our first case. The equation from the first scenario is d is equal to speed into time. Equation from the second scenario, d is equal to speed is 10. 40-minute delay is extra time, t plus 40 by 60. If we solve these two equations, we find the time. We find the time, we find the distance. And according to question, we find everything. If we have these type of equations. So our mother equation is distance is equal to speed into time. We place distance is d, speed is 20, time is 20 minutes earlier, so t minus 20 by 60, time is in r in unit of speed, so यहाँ भी आपका r होना चाहिए. Same with this, we solve the equation and get the value. This is a traditional method of solving time, speed, distance problem. Now how we can apply the ratio method? Our first concept was we can find the ratio and we find the gap. Can we find the ratio of speed? Yes. Can we find the gap of time? Yes. So what is the ratio of speed here? We can say the ratio is nothing but 2:1. And we know if distance is constant, speed is inversely proportional to time. If our speed ratio is 2:1, so the time ratio should be 1:2. आपको करना कुछ नहीं है, just find the speed ratio, उसे reverse कर दो time ratio में. What is the gap? 1 and 2 का gap is 1. So when our gap is 1, this is 1, this is 2. What is the gap here? 20 minutes early, 40 minute delay. If early and delay, we add the values. This is nothing but 1 hour gap. First, speed ratio is 2:1. Time ratio is 1:2. Just reverse. अब gap लिख लो. यहाँ से gap लिखो. If 1 is 1, then this one should be 1 hour. This 2 should be 2 hours. So from the speed ratio, we find the time ratio equated the gap. 1 hour is the time with a speed of 20. Distance is equal to speed into 20, that is 20 km. This is our answer if you find the distance. What is the actual time? Our time is 1 hour and we are 20 minutes earlier. 1 घंटा आपको लगता है और 20 मिनट आप पहले पहुंच जाते हो. Then actual time is 1 hour plus 20 minutes. So our actual time is 1 hour 20 minutes. I hope it is clear. Your distance is 20 km, actual time is 1 hour 20 minutes, so you can find the speed is nothing but 20 upon 1 plus 20 by 60 and get the value. So one method is what? Distance is equal to speed into time. Make equation, get the value of time, replace the value of time in the equation and solve the question. But if you have ratio given, gap given, the best way is find the ratio, inverse the ratio, equate the gap. For better understanding, I am again going to solve another question. Now we have another question. If our speed is 40 km per hour, we are 3 hour delay. Our speed is 70 km per hour, we are 3 hour earlier. Then what is the distance? What is the actual time? What is the actual speed? According to formula, the formula becomes d is equal to 40 into t delay means extra t, and from here distance is 70 speed and the t hour early means t less. By solving these two, we find the t and replace the t, we find the distance. Now use the ratio method. The speed ratio is 4:7, so time ratio is 7:4. Just reverse. आपका स्पीड 4:7 है तो टाइम 7:4 होगा. What is the gap in the 3? What is the gap? And 7 and 4 is gap is 3. Here the gap is 6 delay, 6 early, gap is of 6. So we can say when gap is 3, this one is 6. When this one is 7, this one is 14. So we have 14 hours with 440 km per hour. So distance is speed into this time. That is nothing but 560 km. Now what is the actual time? 14 आवर आपको लगता है कि 3 आवर डिले. आपका डिले 3 आवर्स होता है और 14 घंटे में पहुंचते हो. Means nothing but 11 hours is the actual time. Because आपका 3 घंटे का डिले हुआ है 14 hours में. What is the speed? Speed is the actual distance upon actual time is kilometer per hour. So instead of making equations, we can solve it by ratio method. I hope it is clear. For the gap and gap, we'll see in the next video. Thank you and happy learning.